For most of human history, people didn't understand money because money wasn't something you could understand. It wasn't printed. It wasn't digital. It wasn't controlled by governments or banks. It was simply whatever people trusted. And today, you're about to discover how that trust slowly transformed into the modern money system we live in, a system that affects your savings, your debt, your future, and even your freedom. Before we finish this video, you will understand exactly where money came from, how the system changed, how money is created right now, and why most people are completely unaware of the rules that control their financial lives. And I'm telling you now, the ending will change how you look at every dollar you ever earn again. Let's begin where money itself began. Thousands of years ago, there was no money. People traded goods directly, food for tools, tools for clothing. But barter had a problem. What if you had something I wanted, but I had nothing you wanted in return? This simple problem pushed humanity to create the first form of money, objects everyone agreed had value. Gold, silver, grains, shells, anything that held trust. This was the first money system. Later, people stored their gold in early banks for safety and received paper receipts. Those receipts became easier to trade than the gold itself. That's when the world discovered something powerful. People trusted the paper more than the metal. The gold was forgotten. The receipts became money. But the real turning point came with the gold standard, a system where every piece of money represented a specific amount of gold. It created stability, discipline, and limits. But it also created a problem. Governments wanted to spend more money than the gold they had, and banks wanted to lend more money than they could back. Limits became inconvenient. Over the next centuries, nations slowly weakened the link between money and gold. And in 1971, something happened that changed the entire global economic system forever. The gold standard was abandoned. Money became free-floating. No backing, no limits, no anchor. From that moment on, the world entered the age of fiat money, money backed by nothing but trust. Now here's where things get interesting, because this is the part almost no one knows. Today, money is not created by governments printing bills. It's not created by mints pressing coins. Those are tiny, symbolic pieces of the system. The real creation of money happens in a hidden place, inside banks. When you take a loan, a mortgage, a car loan, a business loan, the bank is not giving you money that was sitting in a vault. It's not taking someone else's deposit and handing it to you. It is creating brand new money the moment you sign. Your debt becomes new money in the economy. It didn't exist before. And when you repay the debt, that money disappears. Modern money is created through credit, through lending, through debt. This is why the amount of money in the world keeps rising. This is why prices rise over time. This is why inflation exists. And this is why the financial system depends on one thing: people constantly borrowing. Right now, while you're watching this, most of the money in the global economy is nothing more than numbers in a bank's database. No physical bills, no gold, just digital entries powered by trust. So what does all of this mean for you? It means that the rules of the money game are not what most people think. It means that money is created when banks lend, not when governments print. It means that inflation is not an accident. It is built into the system. And it means that if you don't understand how money is created, you cannot understand how wealth is created. In the next videos, I'll show you exactly how banks multiply money, how central banks influence your daily life, and how you can use this knowledge to build real financial power instead of being trapped by a system designed to keep you uninformed. If you want to finally understand the world of money, stay with this series. This is just the beginning.